All right, so today we're gonna talk about what happened to me at Chanel. You wanna hear it? Let's talk about it. Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Cheraye. Welcome. If you happen to be returning, you are truly appreciated. Thank you so much, and welcome back. Today, we are talking about my recent experience and my visit to the Chanel boutique. I am wanting to share this with you. Hopefully, it can help someone. At the same time, let me tell you a little bit about what I do on this channel. Here on this channel, in case it's your first time, I cover fashion, beauty, luxury, and lifestyle. Hugely a lover of fragrance, so I'm always talking about fragrance, but I love everything fabulous and fancy, darling. Go ahead and consider hitting the subscribe button if that sounds like something you'd be into. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. It will alert you every single time there is a video placed on this channel. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on the negativity of the experience that I had at Chanel, but I do just want to say I appreciate and thank all of you for your what do you call it, just your comments, your sweet and your kind words. I did go on YouTube, or I did go on social media, Instagram, whatever, you guys, recently, and I just expressed my experience that I had at Chanel. I'm gonna make this a 2.5. I'm gonna try and keep it short, but girl, guy, who knows where I'm gonna go with this. Here's what happened. I had an appointment at the store, had a client advisor over there, sent her a few pictures in my phone that I had of looking for some shoes that I was looking for, what have you. She's like, yeah, I found them. They'll be in on Monday. I was like, okay, well, I'll be out there on Sunday. Can I come in at this time? She was like, yes. Asked her this. No, I said, can I come in? She said, yes. I said, well, what time should I come? She said, what time do you need? I told her the time. She said, okay, yeah, that works. Come on in. Everything was loaded in my phone. Everything was there. So I'm like, okay, well, that's fine. Get to the store, you guys. I'm going quick. Okay, I'm going quick. I'm sparing all the, I'm a meat and potato kind of girl. I don't like all the side dishes. Just give me the facts. So here's what happened. So I get to the store. I'm standing outside. I go to the point of the store where it says appointments only. I'm like, yes, honey. I parked in VIP, validated the car, or what do you call it? Valet? Yeah, I valeted the car, parked in VIP. So I'm going up and I'm walking. I'm with my guy and we're like standing there and they're like, yes. Who is your appointment with? I'm not gonna say any names. Am I saying names? No, I'm not saying any names. Let's keep it classy. Let's keep it cute. So I didn't say any, I'm not saying any names, but I said my appointment is with blah, blah, blah. Let's say her name is Martha. That's not her name, you guys. Anyways, my appointment's with Martha. And they said, okay. So they go inside. They're like, what's your name? And I tell them my name, blah, blah, blah. And they come out and the one guy goes, I don't see you. Are you sure your appointment is for today? Hello? Do I not know when my appointment is? I'm like, okay. I didn't think maybe he thought he was being helpful. So I said, okay, let me not rush to conclusions. Let me not jump to conclusions, I should say. So he goes back in, he gets somebody else, another person comes out, and they're like, Martha's off today. So, I don't know if you have an appointment with her. And I'm like, excuse me? And she's like, yeah, because she's not working today. And I said, well, I can show you the thread in my phone of our text conversation if you like to see that. I'm not just making it up. And she's like, no, we're not saying you are. And so she looks at my phone and she's like, So she goes back in, she finds somebody else. You guys, mind you, I'm just standing out there, okay? There's a line for the people with an appointment. There's another line of people over there that are just looking at me like I'm begging to get in the store, like I don't have an appointment, like I'm just making it up. So that's why I decided that this is not right. I have an appointment. I said I had an appointment. Why am I still standing outside? And it's hot, excuse you. So anyhow, a manager comes out. And she's like, oh my gosh, we don't see that you have an appointment here, but I see it, and so I'm holding my phone like this, like, does everybody want to see it now? Do I need to show everybody that comes out the thread, the text message, and the phone? And she's like, yeah, but I see you have one. She goes, well, come on in. And so I came in and I was like, and I told her, she goes, I said, this is, first of all, once I got inside, okay, they want you to change your mask and put another one on or put it on top of it, whatever. I did that. Once I, sanitized my hands and did everything. I said, this is ridiculous. I said, I had to show my phone thread to 3 different people for you all to let me in the store because I'm telling you I have an appointment and then you make me stand outside and make me feel like I don't have an appointment when I know that I do. Like, what is up with that? Like, who treats their clients like this? Like, am I really having to do all this to come in here and shop and spend my money with you? And so, she was really nice, you guys. She was kind. They apologized profusely. They apologized. I don't know what happened. I cannot say I know what happened because I don't. The shoes, forever it took them to find them because they didn't have my shoes there, and then they didn't have my name written down on the shoes. So that was a whole nother story in itself. Needless to say, I left the store furious. Okay, very, very upset. But I didn't act upon that. I just said, thank you, blah, 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 blah. This is really unfortunate. I said, I'm very disappointed in the service and the way I was treated. I'm like, I definitely had an appointment, and for this to not have been logged or for whatever, and for me to have been questioned that many times just really makes me upset. upset and makes me think, why do I shop with you all and why do I continue to spend my money with you? And she's like, we're so sorry. You know, she did. I told you she apologized profusely, and she did. And then she went ahead to give me something. By this time, you guys, I was already upset. So I was like, thank you, whatever. So I came home, and my mom, my grandmother always taught me, and I'm just that type of person. I never wanted to be what I did or how I acted, because that will quickly be what people do. They'll flip it and turn it on you. So I always say, I want you to reflect on what you did, not how I acted. So I just walked out, and you know, I did call, I did email, blah blah blah. Chanel took care of me. They made it right. They apologized profusely. They said they took some steps. They appreciated the call, the email, the text message, yada yada yada, because I wasn't stopping until I got an answer or until I spoke with someone, because to me, I value myself. I know my self-worth, and so you're not going to just treat me like anything. You know what I mean? I know my self-worth. So treat me like what I am, or we don't have to deal with each other at all. So I will say that they did make it right. They were really kind. They went above and beyond, and I truly appreciated that. So thank you, Chanel, for correcting the situation. Okay, now anyways, onto the unboxing. So that's what the moral of the story is, you guys. Sometimes people do not know how to treat you. Rather than giving them a reason to say this, this, and that, or point and give them a reason to say whatever they're thinking or whatever they think they might know, give them another side of you, okay? And be the example and be the difference. My mom always says sometimes people don't know how to treat you. You have to show them, and if they can't be shown, then you be done with them. That's just what it is. Sometimes I have to show people how to treat me, or maybe even teach you how to treat me. But if you can't treat me with the respect and the woman worth of what I am, then we don't need to be in, you know, dealings with each other. People, friend, family, stores, anything. That's just the boundaries. Here's the line, and here's where you crossed it. Okay, yeah. Okay, so here's what I got at Chanel. And you guys, I don't want to have to stop shopping at Chanel. I love Chanel. You know what I mean? And I was saying to myself, like, oh my God, like all the stuff that I have Chanel, all my bags, all my jewelry, all my everything. Like, what am I going to do with it? Every time I looked at my Chanel side of my bags and stuff, or even the fragrance, I just like had an attitude, because I was like, how dare you treat me like that? But once they made it back right, I was like super excited. I was like, okay. So then I went back to rocking my stuff, but I was like, oh my God. So if you follow me on Instagram, and if you're not, I don't know what you're doing. How are we even friends if you're not following me? I already showed all this stuff on Instagram, but this is what I got, you guys. It looks like, I'm not one for all the unpackaging and drawing it out and doing all that. No, we don't have time for that. This is it. Is it upside down? Oh my God. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. You guys, do you see this? Chanel is celebrating number 5. They did not celebrate it in the fragrance, because I was looking for something in the fragrance for them to celebrate it, but they did not. But this is a necklace that I did receive. It is super, super beautiful. It is celebrating the 100th year of Chanel being, of the fragrance. They're celebrating the 100th year of the Chanel fragrance. I'm so excited. This is a beautiful necklace. I absolutely love it. So that is one of the things. I'll get this up close for you guys so that you can see it. And then this, okay? So, yeah, like I said, I'll put the names to everything, or you can DM me if you want to know the names, because I'm not spending a lot of time on that, you guys. I'm just showing you exactly what I got. I hate long unboxing. I'm like, just open it, open it, open it. So that's what I did. Oh my God, and these are super, super cute. Can you see those? These match the necklace, and they are the earrings, the number 5, like I said, and they're shaped in the perfume bottle of like the number 5 bottle of perfume. This is what they are. A lot of the 2021 runway collection, I believe, had like the buttons of the number 5. Like, instead of it being just a regular button, it was the number 5 button. So I did see that on the runway. So I was super excited to get that in my collection, because now that is, both of these are both collector pieces. So I was super excited to add this to my collection, and they ran out so fast. So as soon as I seen it, I was like, yes, wrap that up. I am taking it home. At first I was just gonna get the earrings, and I was like, oh my God, but I really love the necklace. And then I'm like, if I wear them both, is that doing too much? Is that doing the most? And the lady was like, well, and I was like, it's okay. I'm used to doing the most. She was like, you don't have to wear them together. You can wear them separate or what have you, but I'm definitely gonna wear them together. And then there was this. I don't know what any of these are, you guys, because I waited for you. This is a real unboxing. I mean, I did pick it out at the store, but I'm just saying. Oh, so this here is this. If you see, it comes with 2 dust bags, so you definitely know it is a pair of something or other. I've been on the hunt looking for a pair of white trainers. I cannot find the ones that I want, because I want them to be still dainty. I'm a very dainty kind of girl, but I want to wear them with my cute white dresses. So I haven't found a pair yet. So if you guys know of any cute white tinnies, let's please leave them in the comment section below. I did look at a pair from Coach. I have my eye on a pair from Dior, and I also, oh girl, with the tissue paper. And then I also had my eye on a pair from Versace. Yes, Versace. So I don't know which one I'm gonna go with, but I did go with these. These are super cute. You guys, you could barely see them, but they are these. These are just cute little slides, cute for the summer. My wardrobe is gonna be the same probably, but the shoes, I normally wore like a little heel, you know, everywhere I went, because I'm already short. I'm only like 5'2". So I definitely wanted a heel, but with my lifestyle and the way things are set up right now, I'm looking for more comfort, but still I want to be stylish and I need a little pizzazz. So I did really like these. They're gold. I wear a lot of white in the summer and in the spring, so this is gonna go perfectly. I absolutely love them. I did see a lot of the other pair of the slides. I've seen the black and white ones, but then I felt like I would always have to wear black and white. And then I'm not a silver girl. I told you I'm more of a gold girl. This just was right up my alley. These are so me. So it's like me and a pair of slides. And I'm not really a slide girl either. You know what I mean? I'm so structured. I'm so structured. My bags are structured, so I'm trying to add a little playful and a little bit more fun in my wardrobe, but still at the same time while keeping classic and staying true to who I am. And this did. My guy was with me when we were shopping, and I thought like, what do you think of these? And he's like, I would definitely rock those. I can see those on you. So this is here what I got. There was another pair of sandals that I actually went in for. I didn't go in for those, but I don't think they would have held up once I got there and I tried them on and I looked at them. I just thought, they're probably cute for this season and right now, but longevity, I don't see that. And with those, I kind of see it being timeless. I can probably always like go in there. I could wear them to get a pedicure. It's here in California and LA. It doesn't really typically get that cold, so I could probably rock them year round if I wanted to. And then there was this. So let's get into the, you guys, I know I'm not talking about the names. I'm not taking all day to open it. Who has the time? Who has the time? It's like we are ready. The streets are calling my name. The streets are calling my name. I'm ready to unbox this, put it on. Where are we going? Who's making the reservations? What time should I be there? I'm that girl. It's like, let's go. And this is it. Like I said, if you're following me on Instagram, you already know. Ta-da! How cute is this bag? You guys, I have nothing like this in my collection. I'm like, what was I thinking? It's so different. This color is so different. This chain is so different. It has like 3 different hardwares on here. It looks like, I don't know what the name of these, Ruthenia. It has like a little silver. It's got like nickel plated. It's got the gold plated. And then it has this. It has this little, you know, this is a Chanel 19 bag. And I think this is just there, the double C's. I do like how it's woven in between there. I don't know what fits in here yet. I have not carried it. I have not played with it. I will be back to share that with you guys. I always do. This is just an unboxing. It's pretty roomy though. I'm into very little bags, so you know, that's it. It comes in here. That's the size of it. Of course, it comes with the authenticity card, so we got that there. And then that's just what the inside look like. It has a little pocket back here, not much. It just says Chanel here, made in Italy, says that there. And then that's it. It has 2 little pockets on each side that are not, you know, very big at all, but this is it. But I believe for what I carry, a card, some lip gloss, a fragrance decant, my card holder, like I said, I think I'll be able to fit everything in here. I wanted something different. My guy actually picked this out for me. I was looking at my regular bags, but I didn't want another I didn't want another classic, because I think I'm classic out. I'm like, I have every bag that I wanted from the classic, so I wanted something different. And I don't know, and he said, I think this is cute. I was like, I do too. They had different colors, they had different materials, they had like sequins, they had some other stuff, but this one was very different for me, and I really got into it. I really liked it. And like I said, I wear a ton of white, a ton of beige. Girl, can you talk? Beige, black. This is gonna go with everything, you know what I mean? And I'm all about, you know, mixing metals. I don't have to all rock, you know, gold. I'll mix metals. So this is definitely right up my alley. I absolutely love it. Super cute. So I was super excited to add this to my collection. And that is it. That is it. I have my eyes on so many more items from Chanel. They are killing it right now. I am so obsessed and so addicted. So I definitely am going back to see what else I can get my hands on. I have found out, like, when you see something, like, get it, because it will leave and be gone. Like these 1 earrings that I have been looking for them, I still kept cannot find them, and then buying them on the market from even pre-loved, they're selling them higher than they would be at the store. And I'm like, not about that life. So but yeah, this is what I got. Like I said, I'm super excited, you guys. I had to share that story with you because I felt like, you know, you guys are like, oh my god, she loves Chanel so much, like how would they treat her like this? And so I just didn't even feel right going back into the store, going back in and spraying my fragrances, even rocking none of my stuff. But once they made it right, and once they, you know, took the necessary steps to correct the situation, which should have never ever happened, I did feel better. And like I said, it is my favorite fashion brand ever. It is my favorite fragrance brand ever, so I absolutely love it. So to think about just not having it and to be done with it, that wasn't something that I was really ready to do. But if it would have not been fixed, who knows? Maybe it would have been something I would have had to consider, because I definitely know my worth. So with that being said, I truly appreciate you taking the time to stop by my channel and watch my video today. If you have any questions, you guys leave them down in the comment section below. I will be happy to answer them. I have all the receipts and all the information for everything, like A numbers and everything like that. So if there's anything that I've shown today that you're thinking, hey, I like that too, just go ahead and send me a DM. I'll be happy to take a picture of it and send it to you. Until next time, don't forget to connect with me over on Instagram. Hit the subscribe button if you enjoy the content, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. And I will see you beautiful souls in the next one. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous, darling. Bye.